Good morning. Good morning, Victoria. Hello. I think today's November 18th, because yesterday was Mommy's birthday. Peekaboo. Hi. Hi. How are you? Are you sleepy still? Oh, God bless you. God bless you. I'm having a little bit of an allergy problem this morning. Hi. Hello. I came to see you. You want to go on a safari this morning? I like my little dog, Kari from the safari. Peekaboo, baby girl. We sure love you a lot around here. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We sure love you. Okay, Mimi's gonna stop now so we can put this on the internet and let Aunt Beth, Aunt Marcia, and everybody see it. And Mim over in Louisiana. Your other grandma. Yeah. Anybody that wants to see it. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Uh-oh, here comes Kitty. Here comes Kitty. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi, baby girl. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye with those precious little porcelain doll hands. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.